Spy with my little eye, 3 turtles, 2 frogs, a dragonfly, 1 fish. Where are they? I don't spy nothing. This bro. Wait, oh, they're not sheep, right?
Bro, they're goats.
Oh my god, bro.
Pigs.
I gotta record. It's just a beautiful day, like the birds are chirping. Just look at that landscape. That is just amazing. And then you got the hold on. The pick-me pumpkins. Oh my god, am I a picnic girl? Hell no. Sheesh. Yes, it's very nice outside. And then we just have this little tree that's just reminds you of The Conjuring, which is this one. Oh wow, big horror fan. And now we have to catch up to my parents. Queen's apples. Interesting. I'm gonna grab one. Hell yeah. Oh my god, we have the. Oh my god, do you see that swing in her hair? Oh my god. Oh my god, she's just munching on that beautiful apple. Damn. She's like, damn. So juicy and tasty. Now we got the freaking dad over here bothering her. Oh my god. Just let her continue eating her apple. Wow, you just squeakily cleaning that apple. It's so squeakily clean. Squeak. Got to tell you guys about what I'm doing here. Anyways, I am apple picking with my family. Casually. Great, right? Oh my god, life is so great, guys. But yes, apple picking with family, just the bomb. I just want to eat an apple. To be honest, I'm just gonna grab an apple. Let's taste it. Very juicy. I'm just over here gonna continue eating an apple. Very good. Going through my bag. Apple 10 out of 10. I don't remember if I rated it, but very good. It just leaves you unable to swallow for some reason. But it's good. It's good. It's like very like sweet and hard. But watery. What's it on my? No, okay. But yeah, 10 out of 10. Well, that apple looks mad weird. It looks like a butt. Bro, if you're looking from the side. Oh, damn, he got that one juicy. OMG. Hey guys, we're here to play pumpkin patch. I'm a pumpkin, as you can see, but now I'm gonna be. Oh shoot, sorry guys, I can't really fit here. A height difference. But we could always be the pumpkin patch's wife. Now we're here gonna sit on the little hay because my name is Nene. Wow. Definitely gonna take this one. It's very heavy. It's like what, 5 pounds? Oh, not even 5 pounds, 7 pounds, 8 pounds. It just keeps accumulating. But yes, I'm gonna take this one. It looks a little bit dirty, but I really want to decorate it though. I don't know where I want to decorate it as though. We'll see. I'm gonna put it in there because it's very large and I don't want to squish my house. Let's see how big that is when compared to the bag. OMG. I think I might just, yeah, I think I'm gonna get a tiny one instead. Let's see if I can find the perfect size. Where are you? Pumpkin. What about this one? Oh, this one also has a thing. And this one, yep. I guess I found my one. My true one soulmate. Alright. Mission accomplished, guys. I gradually grabbed my pumpkin. Oh my god, beautiful animals. The horse went outside, Sally. We have a sheep. Hi, sheep. Casually just eating grass. Hi, I'm your sister. Nay. Have the mommy cow off a distance, separating from the goats. Or no, not the goats, the sheep. And we just have the sheep. Where's the sheep? Just coming at us. Keke? Oh my god, it's getting closer to us. Oh my god. That's so nice. Oh damn, he just lost that grass. Yeah, we got the horsey. Oh my god. Oh my god, it's gradually getting closer. Oh my god. Oh my god, it is so big. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh. It's getting, oh my god. Look how beautiful that horse looks. The horsey actually came to me. Don't you see how cute it looks? Oh my god, look at it. It looks so cute, guys. I wish I could ride it. Sorry, they don't provide any rides for the horse, but it was a great experience just looking at the horse. Didn't want to touch it because you never know what it could do. But it was nice looking at it. It got close, as you can see. Yeah. And we have the hay ride. Now she's just making its way to the left side. Now we're going to the side. Just following the hay ride, but look at this beautiful landscape. So amazing. I have another task up front of guys. Instead of the I Spy, we have what do you get when you drop a pumpkin? Guys, what do you get when you drop a pumpkin? A pumpkin batch? I don't know. A squash, maybe? Let's see the back. Oh my god, guys, I was right. Look. It says squash. Aren't I just the smartest brain person in the whole entire world? I think I am. A squash. Oh my god, I was right. Jesus. Critical thinking, guys. Critical thinking. Just gotta think it out. Time to question their brains. Are they actually smart or not? Let's see. I have a question for you guys. What do you call a pumpkin that dropped to the floor?
This is over there. I don't know.
Elena, what do you think? A squash, guys. A squash. They're not smart, guys. Their brain capacity is like 0%.
Midnight, we're going all night. Can you pass a drink to get the vibe right? Don't feel like having a